Good morning, students. So today we'll be studying about the STDs disease, that is the sexually transmitted disease. See, in this disease infection, it is an infection, or you can say a disease that are transmitted through the sexual intercourse, are collectively called as the STDs disease, or you can say vernal disease or reproductive tract infections, that is RTI. These include gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomonasis, hepatitis B, and HIV. All these diseases comes under the STD ones. Now see what are the early symptoms for these disease, that is the itching, fluid discharge, slight pain and swelling in the genital regions. So these are basically the early symptoms which arises before this disease. Now what are the complications due to the chronic STD disease? Chronic disease means which are the long time disease. So pelvic inflammatory diseases, abortions, stillbirths, ectopic pregnancies and infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract can be occur because of all these diseases. Now, the transmission of hepatitis B and HIV occurs by the following ways. So, what are the ways basically through which these are transferred? Basically, these are the communicable disease. So, first is the sharing of injection needles or syringe, surgical instruments with infected person. Second is the transfusion of the infected blood from the particular person to a normal one. Third thing is the transfer from the infected mother to the fetus through the placenta. So these are basically the ways through which these particular diseases are transmitted. By following simple principles, STDs can be prevented. So what are the principles from which these disease can be prevented? First is the avoid sex with unknown partner, that is multiple partners. Second is the always use the barrier methods during the coitus. Third is the contact a qualified doctor for any doubt in early stage of infection. So this was about the STD disease, that what is STD disease, what are the early signs of STD disease, complications due to the chronic STDs, and the way through which the transmission of these diseases occur, and by the way which by using the simple principles how it can be prevented.